What you saw is easily one of the most hyped custom keyboards of the year so far. This is the QK65, and at a starting price of $150 before shipping, it offers much more than what the price suggests. As a disclaimer, this is my first custom keyboard and it's not a review of the QK65. I'm just here to give you my thoughts and impressions after building and using this keyboard for a while. So without further ado, let's see what comes in the box. Inside the box, which I've already opened, you're going to get this carrying case, and inside the case is everything you need to build it. You're going to get a set of owl steps as a gift, a coil cable also as a gift, your choice of PCV with the PE sheet and the plate foam, your plate, in my case I picked up an FR4 plate, a set of gaskets and screws with a tri-head screwdriver as a gift, rubber feet and stabilizer pads. You will also get your case foam, and then the actual keyboard case. I picked the black top with the golden bottom, but there are a lot of color combinations to choose from for round 2, which according to them should be happening by June 10th, and it will be an unlimited group buy. And lastly, inside the case you're going to get this silicone dampener. I'm going to be pairing this with this set of MT3 Suso Atari keycaps I got from Drop. I was lucky enough that they had a buy one get one free sale, so I also picked up the black and white set that you saw at the beginning of this video. So I'm going to be using the black and white alphas with the Suso Atari modifiers. Lastly, I picked some Gateron oil kinks. I really like the deep sound signature from these switches. They also come factory lubed and feel very smooth in its stock form. Let me have you listen to a quick sound test. So what are my final thoughts after using this keyboard for a while? If you're looking to get into custom keyboards, you like the 65% layout, and you have about $200 to spend, not accounting for switches and keycaps, I think this is a no-brainer. I don't think there's a better keyboard out there for under $200, at least for now. This keyboard is currently on group buy as of June 10th, and the group buy will last for about 2 weeks according to Quarry Keys. I'll leave a link to their Notion sale page in case you want to check it out. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos.